హలో హాయ్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ వెల్కమ్ టు మై టిప్స్. ఎట్లా ఉన్నారు మీరు అందరూ? నా కమిడి చెప్పండి. నేను చాలా బాగున్నాను. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీలో చాలా మంది నన్ను ఊరికే నా దగ్గర ఉన్న హ్యాండ్ బ్యాగ్ చూసి మీ హ్యాండ్ బ్యాగ్ కలెక్షన్ చూపించేటక్క అని అంటూ ఉంటారు కదా. సో నా దగ్గర హ్యూజ్ రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ హ్యాండ్ బ్యాగ్ ఉండిందండి ఇది. సో స్పెషల్గా నా హ్యాండ్ బ్యాగ్ కలెక్షన్ చూడాలి అనుకునే వాళ్ళ కోసం ఈ వీడియో సూపర్గా యూస్ఫుల్ అవ్వబోతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ చాలామంది అడుగుతూ ఉంటారు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ రిపీటెడ్గా నన్ను. సో నేను నాకు హ్యాండ్ బ్యాగ్స్ అంటే కొంచెం పిచ్చి ఎక్కువ. ఎప్పుడు ఎక్కడ ఏ హ్యాండ్ బ్యాగ్ కనిపించా కొంటూ ఉంటాను. అలా ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో అన్ని పేజ్లను స్క్రోల్ చేస్తూ ఉండగా నాకు 1,00,000 బ్యాగ్స్ అనే ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ పేజ్ కనిపించింది అనమాట. సో ఈ పేజ్లో నేను చూస్తే 100 కంటే ఎక్కువ వెరైటీస్ ఆఫ్ హ్యాండ్ బ్యాగ్స్, పౌచెస్, రిటర్న్ గిఫ్ట్ ఇవ్వాల్సినవి, లగేజ్ బ్యాగ్స్, లైక్ క్యారీ బ్యాగ్స్ చాలా కనిపించాయి. అవి కూడా డిఫరెంట్ వెరైటీస్లో. 1,00,000 బ్యాగ్స్ అని వాళ్ళు మీకు బ్యాగ్స్ని కస్టమైజ్గా చేసిస్తారు కస్టమర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ని బట్టి. సో ఇక్కడ నేను ఈరోజు మీతో షేర్ చేయబోతున్నాను 1,00,000 బ్యాగ్స్లో నేను చూసిన బ్యాగ్ వెరైటీస్. సో ఈ షాప్కి నేను వెళ్ళి చూస్తున్నాను ఆల్రెడీ. సో వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉన్న కలెక్షన్ని మీతో షేర్ చేయబోతున్నాను. వీటి మీరు డబ్బులు పెట్టిన దానికి పర్ఫెక్ట్ వాల్యూ ఫర్ మనీ అంటారు కదా. సో అట్లా మీరు పెట్టిన డబ్బులకి పర్ఫెక్ట్ ప్రోడక్ట్ అనేది మీకు వస్తుందండి. సో వీళ్ళ దగ్గర మీకు 100+ వెరైటీస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో మీరు రీసెలర్ అయినా వీళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకొని అమ్మేసుకోవచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఓన్గా మీ బిజినెస్ కోసమైనా తెప్పించుకోవచ్చు, లేకపోతే రిటర్న్ గిఫ్ట్ లాగా కానివ్వండి, మీ ఓన్ పర్పస్లో కానివ్వండి తెప్పించుకోవాలంటే ఎంచక్క బ్యాగ్స్ తెప్పించుకోవచ్చు అండి. మీకు తక్కువ ప్రైస్కి బెస్ట్ క్వాలిటీ ఉన్న ప్రొడక్ట్స్ అనేవి వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. సో 1,00,000 బ్యాగ్స్ వాళ్ళకి ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ పేజ్ ఉంది, వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లింక్ ఉండింది. వాళ్ళ డీటెయిల్స్ అన్ని డిస్కౌంట్ ఇస్తారు, ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి.
Hello and welcome again to Lakshya Bags. Today we're going to look at Tambulam bags. The entire Tambulam bag collections right now we're going to explain to you. Our starting range is the Kalamkari Tambulam and the Checks Tambulam. They are very spacious. You can use them as giveaway bags or you can use them as Tambulam bags. These bags are eco-friendly. There's not a single piece of any plastic in it. It can be reused for everyday shopping. It can also be used to carry small stuffs or store small stuff. So it's a very useful return gift. It can be used as a giveaway bag. It can be used as small gifts. The other one that we have is the Madras Checks Potli. This is also a giveaway bag. It's huge in size inside. You can also, when you use the drawstring, it becomes a potli. The potli is very cute. It comes in multiple colors. You get an assortment of colors when you order. It's an excellent Tambulam bag. It's been with us for quite a long time, but it is still in fashion. Potlis are in fashion, you know that. It can be made in multiple sizes. Currently, we have a single standard size. If you have any customizations, you can contact us. People have been asking us about zippered bags because when they give giveaways and they are giving precious items inside, they don't want it to fall off. So we made this zippered brocade giveaway bag. It's a very premium product. It's spacious inside. It is also zippered. This actually looks like a brocade handbag, and it's very spacious with lining inside. It's been finished really well. It has work as well. Okay, coming back to Tambuls, we also have a brocade potli, which also comes in multiple colors. It's quite cute, quite spacious. We also have another drawstring, which is the contra potli, which has a combination of attractive raw silk as well as your fabric. So it also has work inside. I will just draw one of it for you. So you have multiple colors. It also comes in kalamkaris. It also has work. It's an excellent return gift bag giveaway. The contra potli, the brocade potli and the checks potli are really good. They are really spacious. It rounds up an entire range of stuff. The checks potli is really eco-friendly. Then if you want to have some glitter, then you can have the contra potli or the brocade potli, which are really nice. They're attractive. They'll add color to your function or occasion, and they're really nice. People will keep asking you, what is this? And then we have an innovative item. This is not a potli. This is not a carry bag. It is both. It can be given as a carry bag, and we call this tie and bow. So what we do is, once you put the stuff inside, you just shrink it and then tie it. So your stuff doesn't fall out, and it looks really nice. So when you bow it, it becomes a tie and a bow. It comes in multiple colors, attractive colors. It looks really nice when you actually keep 500 or 200 or 300 or how many ever you want together. It adds really a lot of color to your occasion. The brocade tambulam bag is a premium tambulam bag. It is also a giveaway bag. Let me show you some of the features. It comes with a base. So if you're looking for a jute bag equivalent, you can look at this bag. It comes with a base. It adds a lot of color. It has lining inside, and we've also provided a Velcro closure so that your items are safe inside. It comes in multiple colors, attractively priced, economically priced. This is actually the safest bet. If you're looking to gift a small purse and a portly with a gift inside, this is the excellent combination. This is a Romeo and a Juliet. Both come together as sets. They are known as Romeo Juliet combos. So you can take them from us. It also comes with pom-poms, and there are also dories. So it looks really nice, really nice, and it's an exclusive product from us. For people who have larger gifts, we have this brocade gift bag. Let me just show it to you. Just come closer so that you can have a look. It's a huge size. You can gift a sari along with a dhoti inside. So I'm just showing that for size. You can also put large gifts inside, and once you zipper it off, it's safe inside. People can carry it around. It's a very attractive gifting bag. What I'm going to show you now is a range of document pouches that we have. They're excellent return gifts. They're also highly utilitarian and cost economic. So if you look at this jute document pouch, you can keep an entire A4 size file along with the documents inside. It can be used to keep your house documents. It can be used to keep small loose files. You can also keep the mail that comes in. It can also be used for conferences where you can print the name of your organization and then give it as a gift. It also comes with a pocket in the front. Let me just show you. It comes with a Velcro at the front. It has a huge size inside, and it also has a zipper in the front where you can keep small stuffs like pencil, your stationery, or anything else. Hi, now I'm going to show you two other document pouches that we have. This is the Kalamkari file folder. This is a kids file folder that we have. In the kids file folder, we have a special provision to keep a name your bag, because when you have multiple flashcard holders, it can be used as a flashcard holder. It can be hung on walls, and it can be used very conveniently. It can also be kept very safely. It also has Velcro closure, and the size is huge, so you can use this as a flashcard holder or to keep small documents, scrap work for children. It comes in children's designs. We also have the same thing in a Kalamkari design. It doesn't have a handle, so they are priced quite differently. This can be used as a multi-purpose general thing for adults or children. Children can also use this to keep the scrap work or flashcards or any small items up to A4 size. We have this pencil pouch can be used to store your stationery. It can be used by school-going children as a pencil pouch. It can be used to store your crayons. It can be used to store your office stationery. It is also an excellent return gift on birthday parties. It can also be used as a specs holder. It has multiple utilities. When you have a small pouch, your idea is your usage. It comes with an excellent zipper. Space is large. The quality is just excellent. Hi, I'm going to introduce you to this baby comforter. The very lightweight product, 100% cotton. Inside is foam padding, which actually comforts the child. It can be used as a baby mat, a play mat. It has two sides, so one is a plain side, one is a printed side. It's 100% machine washable. You can just put it into your washing machine. It's lightweight, so it's easily washable. If it gets soiled, I'm sure you can wash it really easily. If it gets wet, you can wash it really easily. It's also extremely lightweight. The baby will not feel the weight on it, so it's extremely lightweight. Okay, where can you use it? You can use it in air conditioned environments. It's not for extreme cold. It's just a medium for our temperature basically. So it's an extremely comfortable play mat come baby comforter. Your child will start sleeping really well after you use this comforter for it. Let me introduce you to our baby come diaper bag. This looks just like your handbag. Okay, it can be you can. It's very lightweight. It can hold a lot of stuff. It can hold everything that your baby needs for a day trip. I will show you all the features. You can also use the external zipper to keep your purse and mobile phone, so you don't need an additional handbag or another bag. It has two zippers on the outside. On the inside is where the magic happens. Can you come and close? Inside, we have provided 6 different pockets. These pockets can be used to keep your water bottles. It can be used to keep your food stuff, your bottles, and they'll be very safe. They will not fall over. In the middle, you have a lot of space to store your diapers, baby's clothes. You can also use them to keep your playthings, small books, whatever you want. It can be used. It's a very large space. It's extremely large. It's extremely comfortable, extremely lightweight. It has 6 different pockets where you can store stuff. This infant bag can be used to keep multiple things. You can keep your the magic happens inside. Let me just show you the magic. We have 6 different pockets where you can keep your water bottles and your feeding bottles very comfortably. You can also keep a formula box inside. You can keep your diapers. You can keep your child's small infant items, playthings. You can also keep her change of clothes. You can also keep medicines. You can keep anything that you want. It's extremely washable. So it's machine wash friendly. You can use it to wash again and again. The external zips can be used to keep essential items that you need immediately for your child, like one diaper, your purse, your mobile phone. So you don't need an additional. These are our eco-friendly grocery come shopping bags. These are excellent return gifts for all occasions. They are also very extremely utilitarian. They will last for a very long time. This is a 2-in-1. This is a foldable veg bag. This is a bag-in-bag, foldable shopping bag, canvas vegetable bag, 10 kg vegetable bag, and a 3 kg veg bag. Let me show you one by one. The 3 kg veg bag has a huge compartment inside to hold up to 3 kg capacity of multiple things. It also has 4 different pockets which can be used to keep items separately. When you buy vegetables or groceries, you might want to segregate them. That's the reason we have given multiple pockets inside. This is a 3 kg bag. Let me repeat that. This is a 10 kg veg bag. This is much larger. You will also find 6 different pockets inside. If you can close in, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets inside. It has a huge main compartment and has a 10 kg capacity. The 15 kg veg bag, okay, the 3 kg veg bag and the 10 kg veg bag is made of extremely strong cotton fabric. If you want something which lasts longer, has more capacity, and is more premium, you can go in for this fabric. This is a 15 kg veg bag. This is a canvas bag. This also has 6 different pockets on the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets. And it also comes with a Velcro closure. The most important thing is when you're going out for small shopping, you do not want to carry your wallet or your handbag. it becomes too cumbersome. So you can just store your daily cash or your credit card in this front pocket, and it stays with you all the time. Let me come to the foldable wedge bag. I am sure the bag in bag and the foldable shopping bag are extremely useful and extremely comfortable. You can just store them in your handbag, in your vehicles, whether it's a cycle, your bicycle, whether it's a motorcycle, whether it's your Activa, or whether it is your car. It's very, very easy to store. It is foldable, so it's compact. You always have it there. The foldable shopping bag comes with a button. When you unfold, becomes a grocery bag with a pocket on the inside. It comes with a 3 kg capacity. It's huge on the inside. And let me tell you one thing, when it's folded and when you're giving it as a return gift, it's a huge surprise. People really don't know what it is. So when they fold it out, they'll find this grocery bag and really appreciate you. This bag in bag comes for those people who do not like the button bag and button in the bag. So this comes with a Velcro, and it has a bag by itself. And when you unfold it, it becomes a bag. So this can be used to keep your mobile phone or your small change inside the bag on the way back home. Excellent return gifts. Both these are excellent return gifts. They're very economical, and it also adds an element of surprise to your event, surprise to your return gift. If you're someone who wants to gift a more premium product, we also have a foldable vegetable bag and a 2-in-1 bag. The 2-in-1 bag is a purse by itself. So if someone wants to keep their cash, they can keep it here. And it is usable as a purse when you come back, because when you open it up, it becomes a grocery bag with a 3 kg capacity. With smaller families ruling the day, this is the only bag that you will always need. This is a foldable wedge bag. You've seen the 10 kg wedge bag. We have made that in the bag in bag form. So it's a much larger bag. When you open the bag, it has 6 compartments on the inside. So you can segregate your items, and it becomes extremely useful and utilitarian for your grocery and vegetable shopping. So these are bags that you really need on an everyday basis. Highly utilitarian, highly gift friendly. Those corporates and people who are looking to print some stuff on this can also contact us for custom orders. I am sure all of you have precious sarees inside your cupboard. There are 2 main issues that you will face. One, when you store sarees, if they are synthetic or whether if they are silk, they'll keep falling down. That is problem number 1. Problem number 2, it gets very dirty. In the folds especially, the color will change, there will be dust. So when you unfold it, the entire place looks a little dirty. So that is problem number 2. Problem number 3, when you keep it in very humid conditions, you will also have fungus coming in. So we are trying to address these problems with a set of 3 products that we have. Our Saree Breather, it has a Velcro and a pure cotton fabric. It's also light, and it can store 2 of your precious sarees. Now next, we have this Apsara. Apsara can hold your saree, your blouse, and you will also be able to see what saree you have stored with this transparent cover. Now let's come to the saree storage bag, which can hold up to 10 sarees. With this storage bag, you also get a set of 2 saree breathers inside. So with that, you will be able to store 10 sarees. It's very safe. You can also close it. So when you keep it, it's really safe to keep your sarees. At Lakshya Bags, we make a lot of utility products. You would have seen our shopping bags. Now let me introduce you to our laptop bags. These laptop bags are basic storage bags which you can keep it at home, or you can take it to office for a very short period of time. These can hold up to 15 inches laptop, and it has an external additional zip which can be used to keep your mouse and laptop charges. The main compartment is huge, and it can also be used to store additional documents or papers that you need to carry along with your laptop. It can be used for work from home, and for work from home, or for people who are in college who are using laptops at home, to keep them safely away from children, away from liquids, away from dust. Premium quality Saras series backpacks. They're extremely comfortable. In fact, I use one regularly when I travel by bike. It can be used for going to office. It can be used for going to college. It's extremely comfortable. It has one external pocket. Inside is very spacious. It can be used as a school bag as well. And inside we have another pocket. So these can be used to store your documents. These premium quality backpacks come with an external zip, which is very spacious, can be used for storing your essentials and requirements that you have. This bag by itself can be used as a school bag. It's very spacious on the inside. It also has a zip to keep your essential documents or any small papers that you have, bits and pieces. Extremely large bag, extremely comfortable. It also has a buckle with which you can remove the bag without much difficulty, and you can also wear it in a similar fashion. Are you in need of a small bag to carry either your lunch or your small documents across the city to go to your college or anything of that sort? Then this is the Crosslink Saras series Crosslink that you should buy. It's an extremely comfortable single shoulder bag. It's also adjustable, and it comes with a removable buckle. So when you're wearing a helmet or something, it can be easily removed. It's a small capacity bag. It also comes with an internal zip where you can keep your small items. Quite a large capacity to keep your essentials on a daily basis. An external zip to keep your essentials. Let me introduce you to our jute lunch bags. One is a family lunch bag, another is an office or a kid's lunch bag. In the small kids lunch bag, you'll be able to carry your essential lunch. It also has two unique features in it. It has a spoon holder where you can store your spoons. You also have a water bottle holder which can be used so that it doesn't fall down. The family lunch bag is a COVID special. I'm sure many of you are going for small picnics along with your family and are finding it difficult to carry your own food. What we have created here is a family lunch bag which can in which you can store your plates. You can also keep your lunch here as carriers. You also have a spoon holder here, and it comes with a huge capacity. Many people have bought these bags, and it can hold your lunch for about 4 people. Hi, as far as handbags are concerned, we have previously spoken about the top of the line Saras series large tote. I'm going to introduce you to 3 other handbags that we have. This is a small handbag. It's an excellent return gift option. It's also economical. It's also long lasting. It comes with an external zip and one main compartment. The medium handbag is a little larger. It comes with one external zip and a main compartment. In terms of size, you can compare them right away. Small handbag, the medium handbag, and then if you want much larger handbags with a unique shape, you can look at the barrel handbags. Barrel handbag is again economical. It can be used as a return gift. You have one zip on the side for your small items like your keys or small documents, bus tickets. On the main compartment, there's also a main compartment. It's very large. It also has a small pocket on the inside, It's very, very economical, useful, and a daily use item. As far as lunch bags are concerned, we have jute and we also have fabric lunch bag. Fabric lunch bag is very, very professional to have a look. If you also have a look, it's quite spacious. It has a bottle holder on the side, and on the inside is a special spoon holder. And it's quite spacious on the inside. We have a huge range of travel bags. We have 4 different varieties. One is your 2-day bag, the rectangle travel bag, weekender bag, and the Saris duffel bag. Saris duffel bag is in a complement to your Saris large tote, and you can carry them in style. It's a premium product. As far as Saris series bags are concerned, you have 2 external pockets on either side, one large compartment in which you can store about 11 sets of saris. You also have 2 internal pockets just like them on the inside, and it also has a keychain holder. Apart from that, the Saris series duffel bag also has a cross link. The weekender travel bag and the rectangle travel bags come in a variety of colors, and in terms of shape they are quite different. The weekend travel bag is quite unique, and the weekend travel bags come in a variety of colors, and there are more than 30 different colors which are available with us. If you look at the rectangle travel bags and the weekend travel bags, they come with external pockets on both sides, and you also have a main compartment in which you can store up to 9 saris. You can also store your vanity, you can also store your slippers. You can store anything that you want for about a week. Last but not the least is a 2-day travel bag. This is a very, very light travel companion for those who are on short travel visits or elderly people who are traveling light. This can hold up to 5 saris. I'm just using saris as a reference because it will be of the same size and volume.
సో చూసారు కదా ఎన్ని బ్యాగ్స్ చూసాము. సో దీంట్లో నాకు అన్నిటికంటే మెయిన్ నచ్చే పర్పస్ ఏంటంటే అన్ని హ్యాండ్ మేడ్ బ్యాగ్స్, క్వాలిటీ వైజ్గా చాలా బాగున్నాయి. దట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఓపెన్ చేసి వాళ్ళు మీకు చూపిస్తూ ఉన్నారు. సో గివ్ అవేకి పెట్టిన బ్యాగ్ నాకు నచ్చింది. దాన్ని నాకు పౌచెస్ లాంటి బ్యాగ్స్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. ఇలా బ్యాంగిల్స్ లాంటివి స్టోర్ చేయడానికి అని చెప్పారు కదా, అవి నాకు బాగా నచ్చాయి. స్పెసిఫిక్గా నాకు ట్రావెలింగ్ బ్యాగ్స్ అనేవి బాగా అనిపించాయి. ఎందుకంటే ట్రావెలింగ్ బ్యాగ్స్ కొంచెం అలా ఉంటే స్పేసియస్గా బోల్డ్ అంత సామాన్ పడుతుంది. దట్టు మీరు ఈ మధ్య మనం ఫంక్షన్స్లో రిటర్న్ గిఫ్ట్స్ ఇవ్వడం చాలా ఎక్కువైపోయింది. సో అలాంటప్పుడు ఇలాంటి ఫ్యాన్సీలో ఉన్న బ్యాగ్స్ మనం రిటర్న్ గిఫ్ట్ లాగా ఇస్తే అందరు హ్యాపీ అయిపోతారు. మళ్ళీ క్యారీ బ్యాగ్స్ మనం ట్రావెల్ చేయడానికి బాగుంటాయి. లైక్ చాలా వరకు కొన్ని మనం అవాయిడ్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాం. ఇలాంటి టైంలో ఇలాంటి క్యారీ బ్యాగ్స్ మనం వాడామనుకోండి, మన ద్వారా చాలా మందికి తెలుస్తుంది. సో వాళ్ళు కూడా కొంచెం కొన్ని థింగ్స్ని అవాయిడ్ చేసేసి మన ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్కి మంచి థింగ్స్ని అలవాటు చేసుకోవడం నాకు అనిపించింది. సో ఇంతకుముందు చూపించిన దానిలో మీకు ఏ బ్యాగ్ నచ్చిందని నాకు కమెంట్లో చెప్పండి. నాకు గివ్ అవే బ్యాగ్స్ బాగా నచ్చాయి. తర్వాత క్యారీ బ్యాగ్ లాగా ఉండింది, అది నచ్చింది. హోల్గా మనం ఫుల్ డే సామాన్ పెట్టుకొని తీసుకెళ్తాం చూడు పెద్ద బ్యాగ్, అది బాగా అనిపించింది. మెయిన్గా స్పెషల్గా నాకు పౌచెస్ అంటే బాగా నచ్చాయి. సో మీకు ఏం నచ్చాయని నాకు కమెంట్లో చెప్పండి. సో ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ప్రోడక్ట్,
Mobile safety pouch, excellent return gift, can hold 2 mobiles or 1 mobile phone along with your cash or your headphones.
చూసారు కదా మొబైల్ సేఫ్టీ పౌచ్. ఈ మధ్య కాలంలో ప్రతి ఒక్కరు మొబైల్ సేఫ్టీ పౌచ్ వాడతారు. సో మీరు రిటర్న్ గిఫ్ట్ లాగా ఇవ్వచ్చు, లైక్ మీ ఇంట్లో ఫంక్షన్స్ లాగా ఇవ్వచ్చు, లేదా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా రిటర్న్ గిఫ్ట్ లాగా ఇవ్వచ్చు అండి. సో మొబైల్ ఉన్నప్పుడు దానికి గార్డ్ ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంటో అట్లానే దానికి సేఫ్టీ పౌచ్ కూడా అంత ఇంపార్టెంట్ నాకు అనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. సో ప్రిటీగా బుజ్జిగా చాలా బాగుంది. సో దీంట్లో కలర్స్ కూడా మీకు అవైలబుల్ ఉన్నాయి, డిఫరెంట్ మోడల్స్ కూడా అవైలబుల్ ఉన్నాయి. మీరు కావాలంటే చూడొచ్చు, వీళ్ళ వాట్సాప్కి కాంటాక్ట్ చేసేసి.
Multi-zipper sling, a one-side sling with 4 zippered pockets, the size of an iPad. You can store your iPad inside this. It also has 4 different pockets, 1, 2, 3, 4 zippered pockets and 1 main compartment.
సో స్లింగ్ బ్యాగ్, నాకు స్లింగ్ బ్యాగ్ అంటే మహా పిచ్చండి. ఈ స్లింగ్ బ్యాగ్ చూడగా నేను తీసుకుంటే బాగుండు అనిపించింది. సో స్లింగ్ బ్యాగ్లో మీకు ఐపౌడ్ కూడా పడుతుందండి. లైక్ 2 ఫోన్లు ఈజీగా పడతాయి. 4 స్టెప్స్ ఉంటాయంట. సో స్లింగ్ బ్యాగ్ అనేది పెద్ద బ్యాగ్ని ట్రావెల్ చేయొద్దు అనుకున్న వాళ్ళకి చాలా బాగా పనికొస్తుంది. లైక్ నా లాంటి వాళ్ళకి ఇటు అటు చిన్న చిన్నగా వెళ్తూ ఉంటే నేను ఓన్లీ మనీ అండ్ ఫోన్ పెట్టుకున్నాను కాబట్టి స్లింగ్ బ్యాగ్ అట్లాంటి వాళ్ళకి బాగుంటుంది. కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి బాగుంటుంది. సో మీరు ఇది ట్రై చేయొచ్చు. నాకు కూడా బాగా అనిపించింది. నాకు స్లింగ్ బ్యాగ్స్ అంటే చాలా ఎక్కువ ఇష్టం.
RS series large tote, excellent product, premium quality, only bag required for your entire day.
సో ఈ బ్యాగ్ని మీరు కాలేజ్కి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ట్రావెలింగ్ లాగా తీసుకెళ్ళొచ్చు. మీరు వర్కింగ్ ఉమెన్ అయితే ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్ళి తీసుకెళ్ళొచ్చు. మీ మేకప్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్, మీ లంచ్ బాక్స్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ దీంట్లో కవర్ అయిపోతుంది. దట్టు బాగుంటుంది, చూడడానికి కూడా స్టైలిష్గా ఉంటుంది. దీంట్లో కలర్స్, వేరియేషన్స్, మోడల్స్ అనేవి చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి. ఇంకా మనకి ఏదైనా డిఫరెంట్ కావాలి అంటే మనకు నచ్చినట్టుగా వాళ్ళు కస్టమైజ్ చేస్తారు. మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ రేట్కి మనకి బ్యాగ్ అనేది వస్తుంది. క్వాలిటీలో ఎక్కడ కూడా తగ్గింపు అనేది ఉండదు.
Hi, at Lakshya Bags, we have more than 75 varieties of bags which we have created over a period of 10 years, and each one of them are unique and they are value for money. If you are a retail customer, please do click on the website which is given in the description box. If you are a reseller or a shopkeeper, do WhatsApp us for your orders. We will give you the appropriate information. I'm going to introduce you to the top of the line product, Saras Crane Series Large Tote and Combo. This is the large tote, half moon vanity, and the classical purse. The large tote can be purchased separately or as a combo along with the purse and the vanity. Both options are available with us. Even though the tote may not be within your budget for return gifts, the half moon vanity and the purse make very good sense for you to give as return gifts. We have multiple purses and vanities which we'll show you later, but this is the top of the line product and the receiver of this product will really appreciate you for having gifted this product. The Saras series large tote is a very large tote and can hold all your essentials for the entire day. It has 4 pouches, of which 2 have zippered pockets and 2 are non-zippered pockets. The non-zippered pockets can hold your mobile phones or your specs holders or your water bottles. The unique feature of this product is a keychain holder in which you can hang your house keys or your vehicle keys, and you will never lose them or search for them again. Looking for very economical and cost effective return gifts, we have them too. If you're looking for cotton purses, we have them. We also have raw silk purses, which I'll show you later. The uniqueness of our product is that each product is available in multiple colors at the same time. So if you're going to gift about 150, 200 or 500 pieces, you can gift them in different colors. It will add color to your entire event or occasion. We also customize our products to give a single color, single design. For customized orders, you can contact us. The cotton purse is a unique product. It's very soft on the outside, soft on the inside too. Made from quality fabrics. Every zip and runner is tested and will last a lifetime. The inner is made from soft satin and you can feel them. It's large enough to hold your mobile phone, cash, etc. It can also be used as a small pouch to keep your small items. You have multiple colors. So these are not the only colors that are available. More than 30 different colors are available with us. The next range that we have is the raw silk purses. It's of same variety, but the designs are different. It has half raw silk and half fabric. So if you look at them, they are more richer, little smaller than the cotton purses. Very soft, very shiny. It has the same satin on the inside and it's very soft on the inside. Any gift, this gift people will love. I'm sure each one of you has a silk sari which is inside and it is lying there for your occasions. If you're wearing a silk sari, I'm sure you will want a matching purse. We have it in multiple colors. These are excellent return gifts on any occasion. It's a very economical item too, and it's loaded with features. It has a zippered pocket inside. It's very soft and it's well finished. So if you're looking for something that is silky, that's bright, and if you're looking for lots of colors with work, then you can take the brocade purse that we have. This is a very successful product that we have. This is a very extremely successful product. Resellers and shopkeepers must stock this product. I am sure you will be able to do a lot of sale with this product. People kept asking us, give us a lot of zips, lot of pouches inside the purses. So we made something fancy, something that can be a return gift with a lot of features. I'll just show you a couple of features that we have on this. We have an external small pocket to keep your everyday cash. We have a main compartment which is capable of carrying your mobile pouch. We also have a zippered compartment where you can keep your main cash. We also have small pockets which can hold your credit card. We also have a keychain holder in which you can store your house keys or vehicle keys. You will never search your keys again. These come in multiple colors, is uniquely shaped, and is a wonderful return gift. I keep repeating this again. The quality of our zips are excellent. You will never face an issue with our zips. The product itself will last. The zips will last till the product lasts. If you're an office going person, or if you're going to be going to the college, you need to have a large partition purse. These are partition purses which look very professional and are very large too. We have one partition compartment inside. These are made of premium quality fabrics and are excellent to carry to your office or shop. And this is also an excellent return gift for anybody who's looking at a premium range of products, along with the classic purse and the brocade purse. Mobile safety pouches comes in multiple colors. More than 30 colors are available with us at any point in time. It can hold 2 mobiles at the same time, or 1 mobile and your daily cash. It can also hold your headphones or earphones, and is a very good companion for everyday shopping or you're walking. I will just show you. On the inside is a very soft fabric. It can hold 1 phone here and 1 phone here. Excellent product, quality product, excellent zips. Multiple colors. If you're looking for cost-effective return gifts which are highly utilitarian, we have our boat purses. It can be used at small vanity. It's a very cost-effective product. It is also very soft on the inside and is very spacious. The person who is receiving it can use it for multiple purposes. They can store their vanity, they can store small items, whatever comes in their imagination. We have them in multiple colors and it's an excellent return gift. Hi, I'm going to introduce you to our vanity pouch, a box shaped product for which you will not be able to fill any vanity that you have. Any quantity of vanity that goes in, you will still have more space. We have it in multiple colors and it's an excellent return gift product. We have these vanities in multiple colors, and these colors people will start loving. Excellent zips, a very small product. We call this the squarish coin pouch. You can store your coins, you can store small items, your SD cards, CF cards, any card that you have, any small products. It can also be stored. You can also store small keys inside this. It's an excellent return gift. Our entry price return gift product. These are our cross links. Cross links because they are designed with a cross in mind. It's cut, it's designed. It is a very simple sling. You can use it as a daily sling that you have. It has an external pocket and also a main compartment which is also zippered. It comes in multiple colors and is an excellent return gift. It can be used by kids and adults as a daily sling. Daily sling. If you're looking for a daily sling, then we have it. It's a very small one. It can hold a mobile phone inside. It also has a zippered compartment inside to keep your cash. and an external zippered pocket to keep any small items. It also has a non-zippered pocket where you can keep your face mask or your hand sanitizer. It is extremely useful to go on your daily walk, or you can go for daily shopping with this. Small kids can use it as a personal sling. These are eco-friendly small pouches that we have created as sanitary pad pouches. We have them in various colors. These are used by multiple people, and it's an order. It can be a return gift. It can also be a personal use item. Resellers can use this product as a add-on for their existing order so that they can increase their revenue. Unique triangle pouches. These pouches can be used by anybody for storing bangles or for storing small crayons. Kids can use it for storing crayons. It's an excellent return gift item for any occasion. People gift bangles or small tambulams or
Mehendi function gifts.
these are our unique triangle pouches. These are eco-friendly and also budget friendly for mehendis and small functions that you have. It can be used to gift along with small bangles or any small items that you have. You can stare.
సో లాస్ట్ బట్ నాట్ లీస్ట్ ఇంతకు ముందు క్లిప్లో నేను మీకు చూపించినవన్నీ కూడాను పౌచెస్ అండి. సో పౌచెస్, పర్సులు, చిన్నవి అవి కదా. సో ఇవి ఎట్లా అంటే చిన్న షాపింగ్స్కి వాటికి వీటికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు బాగుంటుంది. సూపర్ మార్కెట్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు బాగుంటుంది. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్కి రిటర్న్ గిఫ్ట్ లాగా ఇవ్వడానికి బాగుంటుంది. ఈ రోజు కాలంలో స్లింగ్ బ్యాగ్స్, పౌచెస్ హ్యాండ్ బ్యాగ్ కంటే ఎక్కువ ప్రిఫర్ చేస్తాం మనం. ఎందుకంటే ప్రతి దగ్గరికి చిన్న బేబీస్ ఉన్నారు అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు హ్యాండ్ బ్యాగ్ తీసుకెళ్తాం. కానీ పౌచెస్ అనేవి ఎవర్ గ్రీన్ అండి. ఆల్ ఏజ్ వాళ్ళు అన్ని టైంలలో తీసుకెళ్ళి మనం వీటిని ఫోన్గా క్యారీ చేయొచ్చు కాబట్టి ఎంచక్క తీసుకొని వెళ్ళొచ్చు. తర్వాత ఏంటంటే దీంట్లో ఇవి క్లాత్ మేయడం అండి. ఇవన్నీ కూడా క్లాత్తో రెడీ చేసినాయి. సో మనకి మెయింటైన్ చేయడానికి బాగుంటుంది. వాటర్ ఒక తడిసినా లోపలికి వాటర్ వెళ్ళకుండా ఉంటుంది. అంత బాగుంటుంది కాబట్టి నాకు బాగా అనిపించింది. సో 1,00,000 బ్యాగ్స్తో మీరు ఏదైనా బ్యాగ్ బై చేయాలనుకుంటే డిజిటల్ నేను అన్ని డీటెయిల్స్ ఇచ్చి ఉన్నాను. సో మీరు చెక్ చేయొచ్చు. వీళ్ళ దగ్గర క్వాలిటీ అనేది సూపర్గా ఉంటుంది. మీరు పెట్టే మనీకి వాల్యుబుల్ ప్రోడక్ట్ అయితే మీకు వస్తుంది. సో ఇంకా డీటెయిల్స్ అనేది కావాలంటే డిజిటల్ చెక్ చేయండి. వాళ్ళ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ పేజ్ లింక్, వాళ్ళ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లింక్, వాళ్ళ ఫోన్ నెంబర్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ నేను ఇస్తాను. ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి. ఈ వ్లాగ్ని ఇక్కడితో ఏం చేస్తాను. బాయ్ బాయ్.